Did you know 15 men pulled off the crime of the century with nothing but fake signals and 30 minutes of chaos? At 3 in the morning on August 8, 1963, train engineer Jack Mills saw a red signal glowing in the darkness of rural England. There shouldn't have been a signal there. As his Royal Mail train ground to a halt, masked figures emerged from the shadows carrying £2.6 million in cash. For months, the gang had studied every detail: train schedules, signal modifications, getaway routes. Everything was planned to perfection, but when Mills refused to cooperate, they bludgeoned him with an iron bar. In just 30 minutes, they looted 120 mail bags and vanished into the night. Most were caught within months, but Ronnie Biggs had other plans. He escaped from Wandsworth Prison and fled to Brazil, taunting police for decades. The fugitive lived openly, selling souvenirs and giving interviews. After 36 years on the run, he finally returned to British custody. Sometimes the greatest heist is living free.